Chapter 2, Sloka 24. Achedyoyamadahyoyam. 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 Akledyo shoshya evacha. Akledyo shoshya evacha. Akledyo shoshya evacha. Achedyoyamadahyoyam. Akledyo shoshya evacha. अच्छेद्यो यमदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो शोष्य एव च 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 नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः अचलोऽयं सनातनः अचलोऽयं सनातनः अचलोऽयं सनातनः नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः 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 अचलोऽयं सनातनः अचेद्योऽयमदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो शोष्य एव च नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः अचलोऽयं सनातनः.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.